It's been a while since I took the time to record a video, so I thought I better get busy or else I'm going to run out of content to upload to YouTube. Today I'm at a rental house. It's actually an illegal multifamily where they've converted the basement into its own rental unit, and same with the upstairs. So there's two separate units and there's some weird door that goes in between them. But I'll be working on the upstairs one. I'll be changing a toilet seat, and they set a new doorknob for the front door, but there's a little bit of a catch. They said it needs to be rebored. I'm not sure if that's for the barrel or the knob, but let's go inside and see what we have. Alrighty, got the key here. Smells like someone's been smoking weed non-stop in here for... Woo! Ooh. Toilet seat goes there. Alright, I'm not sure if you can see me or not. A little echoing here. Sorry about the audio. To drill a hole with a hole saw, you need to be able to use the center drill bit to form the pilot hole. And this is already all wallowed out there. So you need to come up with an idea to center this hole saw so it doesn't walk all around and jump out and go straight across the door. I've done this a few times, so I've got this thing. Now I've got the hole in this board lined up on my pencil marks, and when I insert this in to drill, there's no way it can walk out on me. Now you don't ever drill all the way through, so when it gets close, which I'll be able to see from the back side, I'll flip the whole thing around and drill in from the inside also. Talk about a mess. So I'm just going to take this off, put the one on that came with it, and see what needs to be done to get this to align correctly with the latch on the door. So it's not real pretty, but of course you can see this entire door jamb is just completely hacked apart. And I'm not here being paid to make it pretty. The first person came to install the lock set, but only got the deadbolt in. They were held up on getting a clean new bore through the door. Just got to get this in and onto the toilet seat. So the screw on the right came with the door, and it's not long enough, not coarse enough. This has been screwed and unscrewed so many times that it's just all stripped out. So what I'm going to try to do is use this screw, and if this one's not long enough, I got bigger screws. But I'm going to go at a slight upward angle, and this is a deep mortise. So if these screws are a little bit proud of the faceplate, it'll be fine, because of how deep this is already mortised in. So you saw me switch from the driver, the impact driver, to the old-fashioned screwdriver. That's so you can just have a good feeling of the tension that's on this screw, so you don't blow it out and strip it even more. These are both in here nice and snug. Deadbolt, full swing, doesn't bounce back open. There isn't any play in the door. It's time to install the toilet seat. Lucky for me, this place has already been cleaned and I don't have a nasty toilet seat to take off. They told me that it was a round toilet seat, and I'm going to show you a really decent toilet seat that cost me $5.44. Toilet seat is done. So I'm going to end this video right now. I'll tell you up front what I made. It was 150 bucks. It was really straightforward. The only thing I had to screw around with was this new door latch here. Now keep in mind, this is a rental house. This is not a personal, someone doesn't live here that owns it. This is all messed up. If this was a high-paying customer and they wanted this to look perfect, I'd probably just say, let's put a new door in. Whatever was going on there, it's not even really that nice of a door. Another way is just to replace this jamb and do new weather stripping and just get the right mortised latches and for the knob and the deadbolt. Any questions? Leave in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up. Goodbye.